Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another Versus video. Today we're going to talk about, do I have a protection plan or not have a protection plan? Do I buy a protection plan or not buy a protection plan when I buy a new or used RV? Simply put, protection plans, if you buy the right one, if you buy one from a good quality rated company, and let me explain that real quick. Insurance companies are ultimately the ones that back a protection plan, okay? They're also called CPPs or extended warranties. You want to know what's the rating of that insurance company. If they have below an A, don't do business with them. The reason they have below an A, right? They normally don't pay the bills. They get lots of complaints, things like that. Or they're not properly funded. And properly funded, if they're not properly funded, that's a problem for you because they may not have money to pay your claims. The other thing is make sure that you find out exclusionary versus stated, okay? You want exclusionary, you do not want stated. So ask, what are you offering? Is it exclusionary or stated? Who's the company that backs it? What's their rating? And then watch the price. 10% or less of the RV is what you should pay. But if you have any questions, give us a call. We have experts here that can help you at 877-877-4494, or check out our webpage, rvwholesalers.com. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page.